Hi guys, so I just got this very beautiful machine from a seller. He is letting go his Rocket R58 Sinquan Toto, and I managed to got it at a good deal. And I'm going to show you a few series of videos of me tearing this machine down, servicing the parts, and get it up to running condition again. This machine is running okay, but there are some things that needs to be serviced, such as the brew head. Let me just take this down and I'll show you. So this machine was purchased back in 2021 and it has been in a cafe. So it has been quite it has been through quite a number of years in the cafe, in the commercial setting. And yeah, so what I'm doing is just to maintain the machine and make sure it's running again to its full potential, and then we can just serve it at a pop-up markets as I usually does. So the brew lever, it's quite tight right now, so you can see need some force to pull the lever. So this is one thing that I'm going to service. The hot water tap, it's not dispensing water now. When it's fully heat up and you turn on the knob, it won't dispense any water at all. So something might have jammed inside. And then the steam one, there has been some leaking issues, so I'm just going to check that as well. So I'm going to tear this machine apart and see what else is wrong with it, and I'll keep you posted. So thank you.